Devastator has been a field-proven product for us. It saves on your tires. It accelerates the breakdown of the stock. The product has been a product that customers have been very satisfied with. The issue we had to overcome is to be able to put it on 20-inch heads, 22-inch heads, and the chopping heads. So we worked on it for several years, tried several different models of being able to fit in the tight spaces we were dealing with, and we finally came across the idea, instead of using the compression spring we were using, we went to a torsion spring that's used on trailers, campers, so forth, and that allowed us to get into the space constraint we had. Now we have this model, introducing it for Farm Progress. We just had them out running in Texas here as they finished up harvest. I've got customers starting here actually today here in Illinois with them. So excited about the new product. That will allow us to fit those chopping heads and finish off that extra little nub at the bottom that the chopping head is not, to save on the tires. And then of course the 20-inch guys and the 22-inch guys, give them the same capabilities with their heads as what we've seen with the standard corn heads.